I just want to show you how to open the latch on a motion sensor paper towel dispenser. If you don't have a key, just use a flathead screwdriver. Just have a flathead screwdriver. You can look down on the latch there. You see there's this upper cover here that kind of rotates, and that doesn't do anything, it's just a cover. And then below it, you can look down there and see there's the actual latch mechanism is down below that. So you got to get down below that and twist it. It's a really skinny screwdriver, or you can also use a hemostat. You can see that. You can kind of see down there, there's another latch below the latch there. This top thing just rotates and doesn't do anything, it just covers it. So you can stick it down in further. Yeah, once you get it that far in, then twist, it should come off. That gives you an idea what the latch system's like. Right there, it just grabs into the plastic up there, and the latch right here. So what you're aiming for is to get something right there, and then as you twist, it opens the mechanism like that. So that's how you can open the latch without a key. You can use a pair of hemostats and stick it in there and rotate it. That's what I did. But or you could use a long skinny flathead screwdriver, could work as well. Hope that helps. Again, there's the latch mechanism. You can see it spreads apart fairly easy. You just need to get something in there and twist to open that, so you can open the latch. And it's not the same thing as that cover part. This part just rotates, and so what you're really aiming for is that spot under there that moves, so you can open the latch. And then to close it again, you just push it on firmly, and now it's closed and locked in place. The reason why this flathead screwdriver didn't work is because it gets too wide too quickly at the end. But if you had a long skinny flathead screwdriver, it would probably work better to open the latch with. So I used a hemostat, but you could use a skinny long flathead screwdriver that doesn't widen as quickly right here. That would fit in there and work. So anyway, that should give you good help be able to open these enMotion Georgia Pacific motion activated paper towel dispenser, how to open the latch on top. And then the instructions on how to replace the paper towels are in there.